Here's the paper. I got this one from Daisho. Almost finished now. So all the paper are here. So as I used many paper. So you will get this one from Daisho. I got it from Daisho. It's very convenient and easy to keep the paper together here. Let's take this orange color. This rectangular shape, make it square, okay? I taught you how to make this square. This way. Okay. First of all, let's make this paper as a boat stand. So boat doesn't stand itself, so we have to make a stand over here. The base kind of stand here will go like this. Here, as you can see, the stand here is keep it aside here. Always start from diagonal folding. Now we call half folding. The margin alignment is very important. Now you can see here this triangle here at the center. We need this triangle, so tuck it inside. This way. Now take this fold like this. Now here is little bit tricky, so look at carefully, okay? It goes like this. Fold half from this side. It goes like this. You might thinking how the board is made like this. because this is, I told you, this is quite tricky. It's not a regular or the basic boat. Yes, your boat is ready. Now what you have to do here is you have to split up here from the both end. We have to use the glue, okay? We have to use the glue over here. Here's a boat. Now, how you're gonna use the glue here? Even you can squeeze this one and make like this triangle. In origami, glue and materials are not allowed, but in some condition we have to use. Here is your boat. Now you can split again like this. Okay guys, here's your boat. Thank you for learning. Okay, I always make the video very slowly. Why? Because you can follow the steps very clearly. Okay, try at home and enjoy your boat. Thank you.